In the heart of ancient Persia, where the sun-kissed sands meet the towering mountains, the empire stood as a beacon of culture and power. Its vast territories stretched from the Mediterranean to the Indus, a land of opulence and ambition, yet shadowed by the threat of rival empires looming on the horizon. Amidst this splendor, King Darius I, a visionary ruler, faced a formidable opponent, the rising power of Greece. The two empires, bound by a fragile peace, teetered on the brink of war, each vying for dominance and glory. The stakes were high as the fate of civilizations hung in the balance. As tensions escalated, whispers of betrayal echoed through the royal courts. Persian nobles plotted under the guise of loyalty, their ambitions threatening to unravel the empire from within. A betrayal would set the stage for a clash that would change the course of history forever. In the throes of war, the lessons of hubris and unity emerged. The Persian forces, despite their might, learned that true strength lies not solely in numbers, but in the loyalty and resolve of their people. The Battle of Marathon would forever mark a turning point in their saga. In the end, the clash at Marathon was not just a battle. It was a testament to the resilience of cultures and the complexities of power. Although Persia faced defeat, the legacy of its empire would echo through history, teaching future generations the delicate dance of diplomacy and